Hey y'all, it's Deb Hastings. I'm your Avon representative here near Fort Worth, Texas. And I am doing this short video on our next book coming out, okay? This book is a great book for the season. It is not a holiday book, but it is a winter book because in the winter time, we need to winterproof our skin. We have colder temperatures, we have harsh winter winds, and hey, and the heaters are on in our house and it's drying out our skin. So we need to take steps towards winterproofing our skin. So in this issue, it goes through 6 ways that you can keep your skin healthy looking. All right. And the products, it's just a few products. It's not, you don't have to buy a gazillion products. It's a few really good products. So we have, and I'm going to go through it right here. So the first set of products that it goes through is Physiogel. This is a great product. There's 2 of them here. One is just a daily moisture therapy, and the other one is a calming relief one. Personally, I will use the calming one because sometimes I really get that itchiness. So it really calms that down where you don't feel like you're going nuts with the itchiness. The Physiogel is a scientifically proven skincare routine. So it has the cleanser, it's got hand cream, it's got body lotions. It is a wonderful line of products. We also have moisture therapy. This is a product that I have. I have it right here. You can see, look, I love this product. I put it on my skin. I love this. And it feels so good and it feels so soft. But this product is good in the winter. It creates a barrier for you against the environment. But moisture therapy, this is the body lotion, but it also has the cream here within the jar, which I really love this too. But it also has the hand creams, which are really nice. And look how tall they are. They're really nice. So this one is the calming relief. This one is the Daily Skin Defense. And then this one is Intense Healing and Repair. Personally, I like this one. So these are really good products. And then it also goes through, get my scarf up here. I'm trying to be in the season here. In Texas, I don't wear scarves too often, but I thought it was fitting for this video. Skin So Soft. This is a body lotion. As you're aware of, Skin So Soft has the bath oils, which has the jojoba oils in it, and the oils are really what you need. Skin So Soft should be a staple product in your house, okay? And there's multiple uses for it, right? People use it for everything, but for this time of the year, it's perfect. And it's been around for over 60 years. So no product sticks around that long unless it's good. And Skin So Soft is a good product. Now, the best thing about this book right now, all these products that I just showed you, and of course there's more to the lines of each of these products, is you just buy 2 products. Okay, you buy Skin So Soft and a moisture therapy, or maybe you buy the hand cream and the Physiogel, and you buy the body lotion and the Skin So Soft. But what will happen is you're going to get this free and this free. That's right. So when you buy 2 of those, just 2, you're going to get these 2 free. And then you're set up. You are completely set up to taking care of your skin this winter. Another great freebie in this catalog is they have these glimmer products right here on the back of the book. This is like a glimmer lip gloss, and they have glimmer lipsticks. You buy the glimmer lipsticks and you will get the makeup remover wipes free. Yeah, it's free. So you buy a glimmer lip product for $6.99 and you get the wipes, a pack of wipes for free. How awesome is that? So give me a call or shoot me a message and let's get your order in. And these products, they don't last long. They're staple products. Avon always stocks them, but this time of the year, they have a tendency to go out of stock because so many people use these products and they are staples in their homes. So shoot me that message and let's get your order in. Bye.